This is John with Surf and Turf Roofing doing a digital analysis of 2. This is a pot of court. Just want to take you guys up on this roof with me, show you some of the problems you might be experiencing in this roofing system, and why we need to get this roof replaced as soon as possible. Now for starters, we have this double layered roofing system that you guys mentioned. As you can see, 2 layers. The problem with this is this actually traps heat inside your house, very poor ventilation. And what that actually causes is you can see the granules in here starting to decay. That causes degranulation of your shingles. And when that happens, you actually get to the fiberglass backing of these things. And I'm gonna show you why that's a problem right here. I actually have my microscope set up to give me a close-up view of these granules. And as you can see, we are down to the fiberglass backing of these shingles. The asphalt on top is meant to repel water, and as I can show you with this microscope and down by the start of your double-layered system, the asphalt is stripped because of this poor ventilation, and sooner or later these things are going to start absorbing water like a sponge. But also from the bad ventilation, we have these areas Colby and I marked off here, over here, and this SR is soft rot. And what that means is the poor ventilation is actually causing, this give a little bit, causing the plywood to rot, you know, baking from the inside out from the poor ventilation. Got over here and over here as well. And over here you can see we actually have these, what we call in the industry, wind zippers. Now why that's a problem is they're actually losing the tar bond because of the poor ventilation. Heat is being trapped so much inside these things, they're actually starting to pull up, and these things can come off with the touch of the finger. But really the main concern here is that these nail heads, as you can see right here, this one's actually kind of crooked. When these things flap up in a storm and water gets inside these things, water travels down these nail heads like a highway into your home, causing thousands and thousands of dollars of interior damage. And lastly, but certainly not least, Colby had this massive crack on this chimney, as you can see right here. That's actually caused by thermal exposure, UVA rays. And as you can see, obviously it's a no small crack. That's just a highway for water to get into your home as well, you know, causing thousands of dollars in damage. And as you can see, we have our moisture meter. We put this thing by the base of the chimney, we get 15%, 16, spikes up to 20 we were seeing when we were doing this. And mold and mildew starts to accumulate at 15% actually. So we are actually at that threshold, and this stuff can travel into your home if left untreated. So glad you guys called this out here, but in my professional opinion, me and Colby are gonna get down from a plan of attack, because this is serious.